you got this far means you've gone a long way. Okay? Any more questions you'd like to ask? About, especially for Saturday songs. Sure na kayo sa mga kakantahin nyo?
First question that pops up, ask it now.
Direction I changed my song.
Yeah. Sandra? Yeah. Darling, may prejudice na sa iyo mga singing songs like that eh. Never ever say goodbye and all that. They judge, kasi Miguel, nabobore na sila with you singing things like that eh. Not that it matters, but you're not gonna be judged anyway on Saturday. You're just performing. Because they're just judging these two. There are no more grades this Saturday.
Sir, ako din. Papalitan ko din.
Narinig namin yun eh.
Isa na lang. Heart na yun. Fade.
Kasi at this point, you should be collecting fans. You should be collecting votes. Because when the top 6 is judged, di ba, it's open voting for the top 3. So, you should be collecting votes. And I tell you, 60-year-olds don't text. Think of younger songs.
Are you really worried about my song? Super worried?
Honestly, yes, Sen. Because I want you to perform well, really well. I told this to Iñaki before, and even to Miguel. If either of you would have to go, you go out with your head up high. Iñaki did that with a very high grade. Boy exited with a high grade, so if ever one of you would go out, yung talagang I gave you my best performance, up yours. Diba? Gets mo, Sen? I mean, I don't know. Teacher Monet would be the best judge for that if you can carry that song, but I really wish you would. Okay? Ikaw din, Larnie, ha? Larnie, ha? Huwag masyadong holy ang song, ha? Like, konting sorpresa, ha?
And I am blessed.
Okay. Okay. Ikaw din, ha? Okay? Ano yung kakantahin mo? Inseparable? Okay, sige. Sexihan mo, ha?
Yes.
Okay. Sing it to Poon.
Yes.
Okay. Alright? Okay, you better get your best now. Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Galing ni Chris. Galing. Grabe. Nalipas talaga ako ng copy ng video.
Oh, Piras.
Nalipas talaga ako ng copy.
Nervous yan. Alam mo sa ganun, ano?
I have a question for you. If there's an artist that can avoid an RDP,
If there's no boy.
So amazing, sir. So amazing.
Alam mo, mati ni idol material eh. You know, yung mati ni idol material eh. Yeah.
Like who's on?
You know, all these decent, all these secretaries I know are so in love with you. You know, all these career girls of Makati. You know, they go out on a date with you. So don't try to be a bad. Don't be a bad boy.
If there was an
Artista who's like you na talagang decent. Parang you're a young Dominic Ochoa. Bakit?
No, I mean, I'm just like, what's John Lloyd? What's John Lloyd?
Oh, John Lloyd. Okay, John Lloyd. Si John Lloyd kasi may pagka...
May?
What? Okay, yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. Okay, stop worrying.
I'm not worriing. I'm just asking for the pet. I just want to know the pet.
Sino raw ang artistang katumbas niyan? Sabi ko, parang the young Dominic Ochoa. Ay? Sabi ko, hindi ba yung may pinag-aralan, disente? What's wrong with that? Di ba? Is that wrong?
So perfect. Para sa akin.
Kunyari, come here, anak. Nasa dagat ka, nasa laot ka. May dalawa kang kasama na hulog pareho sa bangka, parehong hindi marunong lumangoy, at isa lang at ikaw marunong kang lumangoy. Isa lang ang pwede mong sagipin sa dalawa na nalulunod dahil wala nang time. Sinong sasagipin mo? Si Sen o si Richard Poon?
Sino nga? You said I'm like John Lloyd Cruz.
Iligtas ko si Sen. Nalapag ako with Richard Poon. Iyak lang.
Hindi ganito.
Ano ba yan?
Hindi si Richard Paul marunong lumangoy.